actually going to be going on a yacht. It's a company work incentive, and I'm super excited. This is the fit. I have my matching bikini bottoms under, obviously, but I don't want to go in the Uber like naked, so. And I also have a matching cover up for like once I get out of the koozie, because there's a koozie on the yacht. Super excited, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, so let's go. Yacht day. Guys, let me know why all me and my roommates were like rushing, like hurry, we gotta go, because the boat leaves at 4 p.m. sharp, so we're like all rushing. And then as we ordered the Uber, I literally ordered the Uber $65, and it's 1 minute away, and then one of our mentors calls us and is like, hey, boat is 1 hour late. Like, Hey guys, we are now in the Uber on our way. We got Kendall, Arena. Alright guys, quick little update. We are now at PF Chang's in Long Beach, just waiting for the boat to arrive at the dock.
It was, fuck with me one time, tapping with my Telegram, you already know.
Hey guys, say what's up to the vlog.
What's happening, vlog? You know we outside. We hopping on the yacht. It's lit, baby.
Yup, about to get on the boat. About to get in the yacht. For the yacht to take off. Cheers. Cheers.
I broke my car.
What level are you at?
You know that we're right now, we're at like a solid 6.9. 6.9? Yeah, it's very coincidental.
Dude, this girl's Ukraine. She can drink.
She can fucking drink. B, where you at?
Where I'm at, there's no flash, so you can't tell where I'm at, but I'll tell you, I'm at a good 5.7. It's an easy day.
Okay, 5.7.
He really hasn't embraced the full experience of what's going on. No.
Guys, this is going on my YouTube channel.
This right here.
This is going on my YouTube channel.
Alcoholic beverage.
Hold up.
An adult beverage.
It's not that I didn't get
And we
to my
sit with the pinkies out because we're very demure.
So Samira. Kendall, where the fuck you at, babe? She's at an 8. She's chilling. Me personally, bitch, I'm like at an 8, like fucking like 9.5. Ah! What's up, you guys? It's the next day, and I had to literally pull myself out of my bed, out of hibernation, because it's 3 p.m. and I haven't ate anything, and I feel like I need food, I need fuel, so like I had to pull myself out of bed to go get some pho because that really revives me when I'm like feeling like this. I mean, what did I expect? It was literally a yacht party. I honestly had so much fun. Thank you to the people that made it happen if you're watching this. Yeah, I really wish I could have vlogged more, but honestly, like, I was such in the moment vibes, and like it's just kind of hard to like pick up my phone or whatever I'm recording on and just like start recording when I'm just like having such a good time that I don't want to do that, as well as like I don't want to be in other people's faces when they're having a good time, just enjoying the moment. So I'm trying to find a balance, but yeah, let's go take myself out to go get some pho. I brought my book because I really want to read it. I haven't had time to read it, and so taking myself out to eat some comfort food with my book, it's just the vibe for right now. I literally was gonna go to the vintage market to go shopping, but honestly I cannot do that right now. Like, I could barely get myself out of bed to go eat, so let's go get some food. Okay, I decided to come to this place called Simply Pho in Santa Ana or Costa Mesa. Yeah, it was just like the closest with the best reviews, so I do not have time to do all that right now. I mean, I do, I just don't want to. Alright, you guys, so I came home from eating and then I rotted in my bed a little bit more, and then I showered and then picked up my room. I still have some things to do, but I'm honestly just gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, and subscribe, of course. See you guys in the next one.